Hi there, in this video we will learn how to create water splash effect in Photoshop. So let's get started. So first thing we need to do a photo of strawberry and also a water splash. Now just on the water splash and just hold Ctrl and click on this thumbnail and Ctrl C to make a copy. Now click on this mask button and it will create a mask, and press Alt and click on this mask over there. Now Ctrl V to paste the mask and also adjust like this. Now just press Ctrl or Command I to make a negative selection and just press Ctrl D, and there we are. Now select the mask button and remove the extras just like this. Now choose the eyedropper tool and choose the color of strawberry. Now hold the Ctrl key and click on this thumbnail and it will make a selection, and hold the Alt button and press delete key. Now just make a copy of this layer 2 or 3 until the splash looks like the color. Just Ctrl J. Now select the all and just press Ctrl or Command G to make a group of it. Now click on this mask button and it will create a group mask. Now choose the simple brush tool, make sure the foreground is black and floor around 20%. Now just brush on it and it will make a smooth blend. Now just click the strawberry image and click on this mask button. Now remove the extra strawberry area, and there we are. Now it's time to match color. Now just open this group and make a blank layer. Now choose this mask and apply on this. Now select this layer and choose a color of this layer by pressing Alt and click on it, and it will detect the color. Now just paint on it just like this. Now it's time to add some shine like strawberry, and just make a new layer of solid color and it should be white. Now just click on it and it will create a clipping mask, and just right click on it and open the blending option and remove from the dark areas just like this. Similarly remove from the dark areas, and there we are. Hit OK, and that's all for this video. I hope this video helps, and if did, so please make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel. Make sure to like the video and subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notified every single video, because we are uploading the daily shorts on a YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. I will see you in my next one. Stay tuned, and Allah Hafiz and Nasir.